Hey guys, welcome to my first tutorial about HubSpot form. So today we're going to talk about HubSpot form. I'm going to show you how to create a form in HubSpot. So you go to marketing, and then here you go to lead capture, and then after that you go to forms, and then forms, you click create form, and then HubSpot is giving you two ways of creating form. So you have embed form, and then after that you have a standalone form. As you can see here, embed form is create a form that you can embed as a part of your website or CTS. The standalone page is create a form on a standalone page that you can share through a link. So we've been creating, we're going to create this one, the embed form. Click, and then after that you go to next. There they're giving us different kind of templates that you can use, but now here we're going to just do for instance from scratch, blank, and then you go to next. So now they give you a default email, so which is the default email there as a property. So you have different kind of properties that you can choose. So you can just drag and then add. This is the way that you add, you drag properties inside the form. So there you have the form, the two properties there, and then after that you can name it. This is the way that you name. Let's say for instance new form tests. And then there we have the GDPR, where you can update the GDPR. So HubSpot is giving you different kind of uh, templates when it comes to GDPR that you can also customize, or you can just use it as it is. Okay, so once you're done, you're going to preview here. You can click view to view the form. This is our form. Looks like I'm gonna have to publish first. Let's update, publish. Let's go again to refresh the page. Yeah, there you go. This is our form. So this was a short video showing you how to create a form. In our next video, we're going to show you how to see the submissions from your form. Thank you so much. Let's see in the next video.